And we are live. I hope it's live. I am not really sure if this is working. If it's working, please if someone can write in the chat, that would be great. Can you hear me? That's my biggest concern. Because Manya once told me that there were some audio issues. So if someone can just confirm in the Twitch chat that you can hear me. Perfect. Thank you, Suhani. So yeah, today we will be going over CTF solutions, but I made some rough calculations and it is not possible to go over all the solutions in 2 hours because we had 40 challenges and some are like very complicated, especially Secretive Andres, Crack Me 3, CTF Block 3. All of them will need a bunch of background, bunch of context. So it will be really hard to go over all of them in 2 hours. So I have divided into two parts. One is today, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST, and same time tomorrow. So yeah, we will be doing randomly. We will be doing some challenges and that's the plan. But I am still not sure if we will be able to complete 40 challenges in 4 hours, but we will try to. We will surely try to. In some places, if I am going fast, you can always write to me on chat that I am going a bit fast, and I will explain a bit. If you have any doubts in between, then also you can write on chat. I will be checking the chat after every 2 or 3 challenges because I don't want to just keep switching between the chat and the explanation again and again. Some of the challenges I am trying out for the first time, especially the ones made by Ankit and Gabe, and some I have made them so I already know the solution, but I will be solving them as if I am looking at the challenges for the first time. So don't worry, I will be also going on some wrong paths that maybe you all have gone, and at the same time you can also share your experiences about the challenge I am solving. What was the things that you found hard? What was the red herrings that you found? What was something that you messed up and then realized, oh shit, this was the smallest thing I am messing up? Especially I know that a few people who I had been talking on chat, like Atik and Geeta and everyone, they had tried a bunch of things, and especially with I think it happened that he and his team were always on the last possible step of a challenge for more than 3 or 4 hours. I will be sharing those stories as well, maybe during the solutions, but we will wait for a couple of minutes while everyone joins because I was hoping few more people to join and then we can get started. But till that, I will share my screen and see if that works because I am not even sure that will work. I am not at all prepared for this. Okay, okay. Yes. So, yes, now you can see my desktop. Perfect. Let's get started. Yeah, so this was the platform we all used. Anyone who is joining from outside the fellowship, we are just going over the CTF solutions. The CTF was just for MLH fellowship students, but even if you are not from the fellowship, you can still hang on and see because we will be going through all of the challenges from base. For you, even if you go to the website, you can register, but you cannot solve the challenges because the CTF has already ended. I think it should allow me to solve it because I have the admin account. We will find out. So yeah, let's get started from the most basic challenge possible, that is hello world. You had to just go through the rules and understand the CTF platform, and yeah, once you understand that all of the flags or almost all of the flags will be MLH I am a flag. I know it was written here that it will never be like this, but then we had added notes everywhere where it was directly a flag and not inside this special format MLH and curly braces. So yeah, the flag for this challenge was MLH I read the welcome chal. So you just had to copy and paste and do submit. So once you submit, it will show you correct or false. Again, reiterating on that, you cannot do it right now because the CTF platform is closed for everyone else apart from me because I have the admin account. So this was the most solved challenge. I will actually show you the dashboard so you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So if we see here, we will be going roughly in this order. Hello World was the most solved challenge, and that is why I started with that. So yeah, now let's next move on to rules one. Again, rules was nothing special. It was again a copy paste challenge. You just had to read the rules and understand them so that you don't cheat. Even though, okay, fun story. People cheated even after reading this. For one challenge wherein we had put some hints, people cheated. People created a new account and took the hints and solved that challenge. Even after that, only one team was able to solve that challenge. I am not sure if it is the same team who cheated, because even after logging everything, I was not able to match the IP. Very sad, I know. Okay, so yeah, again in this you just had to copy paste and submit. So these were not really challenges, this was just to get you acquainted with the platform itself. Now moving on to actual challenges. uh yeah, let's start. If you want me to solve any challenge before, please let me know. If there are enough people rooting for that challenge, I will go and start that challenge, but if not, I will be just going in my order. Again, I am still waiting for a few more people to join because I was expecting more people to join. No issues. So yeah, next is easy code. Easy code, I had made the easy code challenge, so I will also tell you who made which challenge. So since easy code is one of the most solved challenges, we have it at only 356 points currently. So yeah, we have to download the attached message and and it is not in the usual format. Okay, no issues. So yeah, I will just instead of downloading it normally, because I don't want to show you all my downloads folder, so I will be using terminal for everything. Let's just open up MLH. I hope you all are able to read my terminal, because I am not sure how big or small it is. But if you are not able to see it, please write in the chat and I will look. Okay, you are able to see. Perfect. So yeah, what we do is we basically copy the link and download the message. It should be downloaded. I did curl. I should not have done curl. I should have done wget. Never mind. Yeah. So we download it. And I don't think this works. Okay, this does not work. Wget does not work on this platform. Amazing. Then I will just not download it normally. So, and open it. Yeah. So the message that we have here is this bunch of random characters. So usually what I do is, if I have a file that does not open, this file opened, it was a text file. So we just have characters, so we don't have anything to analyze. But in case if it did not open, what I would have done is, I'll just save this. No. Okay, let me just make the file and show you. Yeah, so we have this file here, which we have already downloaded. So usually what I do first is I do file message and see what type of file it is. Here we just have it, even if the format that we can see extension is enc, which does not make really sense. The file itself is a ASCII text file. It is a message. It's a normal text file, so we don't have to worry much about it. Yeah, so we go ahead and just open the file. We can even cat it. So we have this. Now this does not really make sense, right? It's written in English, but it is not normal English words. So then what we can do is we can try to identify what type of cipher it is. And the reason I am saying cipher it is because it is under crypto, so we know that it is some kind of encoding or some kind of cipher that is being used here. So I am guessing from this it is probably a cipher. So I think to answer your question, even if I did not create the file you downloaded would have looked exactly that. I will just show you. It is there in my folder. But yeah, you are right. I should not have done it like that. But even if I show you here, it will show it ASCII text, but with no line terminators, because when I made this file, I had no /x00, the ending character there. So yeah, even if I do it to the original file, you can see it is just an ASCII text file. But yeah, good point to point out. Cool. Moving on. So yeah, I need to identify that. So usually what I do is when I get some kind of a cipher, I just try to do a couple of things. I have some websites that I like. So first of all is decode.fr, and okay, I know the solution here, so I am just going to decode.fr, but I would have tried a couple of things. First thing to always try out in such challenges wherein you have ASCII text, I feel is Caesar cipher, because it's the most simple cipher, and I don't know what the shift is. So Caesar cipher is basically a shift cipher. You can imagine it as, if I want to write A with shift of 3, I will instead write instead of A, I will write A plus 3, which is D. So that's basically Caesar cipher. And if you want to decode it, we do exactly that. We add 3. And, okay, for encoding it, we subtract 3, I guess, and for decoding it, we add 3, or vice versa. I don't really know. Okay, we are adding 21 here. So the best part about this website is it tries everything, and then it gives the best possible answer, whichever matches with the English dictionary. So here, if we try to decode it, it gives us Caesar cipher, which is the flag. So we don't have to try anything. And the reason, I don't know if anyone knew here, if you all figured this out, please write it in the chat. The reason the name is easy code is because of the shift Z minus E. So basically, if you see the difference, if I write Z here and try to decrypt it, the difference between Z and E is 21. So if I, for example, if I write EZ, so that's the reason the code, the name of this code is easy code. You can also find that fact somewhere down here. I had copied from here, so I know it. Yeah, see, it's here, easy code. So the name of the challenge was itself a clue to figure out which kind of cipher it is. So easy code, the shift is 21, and there are so many different special names for different Caesar ciphers. The original Caesar cipher, I think, had shift of 3, but it is 13. The original one had rod 13. So yeah, the clue was itself hidden in the challenge name. Perfect thing to find out. I hope I copied it. Yeah. So once you submit it, again, you get correct as expected. Now, yeah. Do we have any comments? Let's see. Okay, no one realized that. That is good to see, I think. Okay, so yeah, you know something new. Easy code. Moving on, which challenge do we have next? 58. 58 is a challenge that was made by Gabriel. If you don't know who is Gabriel is another pod leader that we have at MLH Fellowship. So yeah, moving on, 58. He is referring to the warm-up challenge. I know there was a challenge in warm-up where we had Base64 encoding, and this looks very similar to Base64. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open a Base64 decoder. I know you can also do it on command line, but I usually prefer, I don't know why, to use online decoders. Let's just try this on. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it shows that the input is malformatted. Let's see. Encoding. I think there is something known as encoding guesser, and since this is encoding that we are using, let's see what it guessed. Nope, nothing. No, I don't think this works. So I know there exists an encoding guesser or something. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, this tool is amazing. I was trying to find this tool all morning today for the live stream, but I was not able to find it, and now I found it. So amazing. Okay, it's definitely not Base64 as it is not working. Do we have any other? Okay, we have Base 2050. Okay, the challenge name was also 58, so maybe this will work. I'm just going to delete this. Oh, perfect. So yeah, this tool is amazing. Again, I was not able to find this. You can also self-host this tool, which I will do soon. But this tool is really amazing. You have so many things here. It is the best thing, like hashing, compression, extractors, multimedia, everything. This like many tools there. You can like go through this tool for a day and still not get bored. At least I won't get bored. But yeah, the clue here again was the name of the challenge itself, 58. So I just inputted it. This is not I don't know how to delete this. Clear recipe. Okay, we will just start from. Yeah, so I just used from basic 58 to decoding, and we kept all the alphabets, and we got this as the output. I hope this was an easy challenge, so I hope that it is clear. Oh yeah, the UI is not made by someone who knows UX. It is hard to guess that you have to drag and drop. I am so happy right now that I found this tool again, because this makes my life so much easier in today's live stream. Anyways, moving on. Next challenge we have is what is. Let's see. I have no idea what that challenge is. Again, what is was made by Gabriel. Most of the challenges were made by Gabriel. Uh, what is? Will received all sorts of email, but recently he received one what with a file he's not sure what does. Let's see what does this file do. Okay. I'm just gonna open that file. So yeah, we have this file here. I don't know what the file is because it has no extension at all. So as I said, any file I usually don't go ahead and open it. I just do file to see. Okay, it shows me that it is a ELF file, which is basically an which is basically executable for Linux, anyone from Windows or Mac. The equivalent is in Windows you have .exe file. In Linux or any Debian based system, we have ELF files. They are executables, no, same as the exe files. So yeah, we have the SHA-1 hash here, but I don't think we have to decode SHA-1. It's practically not even possible without brute forcing. So I don't think it is that. It is dynamically linked, so nothing there, nothing extra. Okay, so then what I usually go ahead and do is I do strings. Okay, we have bunch of things in strings. Let's see. Oh, I saw some flags. So I'm just gonna grep mlh to see if okay. Is this? Then it is easy. Okay, I'm not sure if this is the flag. Let's just try and submit it. Oh, okay, that was the flag. So to sum it up, what I did was I just did strings, and it was just hidden there. Now, what I will do is I will also show you the uh, actual source code that was there in making of this file. Let's actually see that. It's a crypto. No, it's okay. It's not crypto. Where is what is? Okay, here it is. Okay, and also a fair warning: if you see anything that you are not supposed to see, please don't copy it. Please don't use it somewhere. Can you also run the file? I am not gonna take the risk of running the file. uh I am really not gonna take the risk of running the file, I think, because I don't want to like end the uh whole live stream right here. But yeah, this file looks really easy. Did you just run the file and wait for this many seconds? Because those are many seconds. Let's actually run this file, and we will just keep it running. Okay, we will just keep it running for the whole of live stream. I don't know how many seconds that is, but yeah. So this will be running for the rest of the live stream here. After 10 seconds, we should see what is a string, and after that 50 seconds this. And okay, how many even minutes is this? Let's calculate. What did I open? I don't want to open this. So okay, those are many minutes. I have no idea how many hours. Okay, we don't have this many hours at all in, I don't know, even if in our lifetime. Where's the link for the CTF? The CTF actually is not currently open, but yeah, sure, I can send you the link. It was for MLH fellowship. This is the link. I sent it using my account. So yeah. Okay, distraction. Haha, be careful. I am not gonna run be careful for sure. For sure, not running be careful. because I know the source code behind it and it is deadly. It is deadly. And also the link to the tool that I used. I hope you all can see my VS Code properly. I am not sure how to zoom it. Okay, yeah, okay, too big, too big. So moving on. We solved fifth. What is? We solved what is, right? I did not. Did I ever copy the? I don't know. Oh, we have the third thing. What is plural string? Whatever. So yeah, let's copy this. Let's put it here, submit it, and oh, I have already solved it. Then I pasted it. My bad. What was the next challenge? Next was what is. Okay, the successor to what is was what is. File extensions don't lie, or do they? Clearly they do, because I know they do. You can use this blog by current Steam to read more about CTF. Yes. Thank you for advertising my blog. Thank you very much. My team would certainly appreciate that. They always keep on complaining to me that I do not take their names on live streams and I don't credit them enough. So I am going to do that today. Let's just open a new tab. Does anyone remember the... what? Yeah, okay. Okay. I hope we can manage in this with Zoom. But yeah, we have what is. Let's see what is the file type of that. There is no... Okay, it's an ASCII text and there is no file extension. Okay, why is the description then file extensions don't lie? Let's try and cat it. Maybe that will work. Okay, we have something that looks weird. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this and put it in that tool and try a bunch of things. So this is not something that will work on your PC if you have not configured. I am using Xclip and then I have alias for copying it onto my keyboard, and that is why I am able to like tunnel my output from from cat to setclip. So now I have copied the whole thing in my clipboard, and then I can paste it here. Okay, that is taking a while. Wow, and it did not give any good output. But this certainly looks like base64. Whenever I see like equals in the end, I usually assume that it is base64. Most base64 strings have that. But then again, we have an identifier /9j /. I am just going to Google that and see if we can find anything. So, okay, that is, I saw something here. It is base64. JPG image in base64 format. Huh. Okay. Then I think we can just use this tool again. We will convert it from base64 and we have something. Then we can use something related to image, generate image, and we have an image. Okay, but again, that image does not make sense to me. No, it's already a JPG. We don't have to generate it. We just have to view it somehow. So I'm just gonna save it in, it was a JPG, right? So JPEG, download it and open it. Let's see. Oh, okay, that worked. By the way, you were using 58 for this? Okay. No, I changed it to 64 because yeah, I was first using 58. I was just trying it out. But yeah, that worked. Again, this tool is really useful. You don't ever have to use command line. But the thing I do not like about this challenge is that I have to copy, I have to write it manually. That is a bit... But yeah, Gabriel has put in a lot of effort. I mean, he has written it on a page and then taken a photo. Wow. I can never do that. What is magic number? Hopefully this works. Oh, it's okay. What is wrong then? Oh, numbers. Amazing. I cannot read. You can use base64 for this. Just directly upload the file. Oh, right. Yeah. Right. Because the file was in base64. That does make sense. And probably there is an option to upload a file here too. I am sure of it. Yeah, see, extract files and everything is there. This tool is amazing. Just this XF option too. I can geek over that tool for infinite time. Again, moving on to Pixels 2. Okay, people were not able to solve Pixels 1. Should I do pixels 2 first or pixels 1? I'm just gonna drink water till I. Okay, pixels 1. Okay, let's do the pixel series, the whole series then. Yeah, we have pixels here. So pixels was actually made by me, and it is easy to solve all 4 challenges when you know how once you know how to solve one challenge. But yeah, let's do this. So we have pixels 1 here. So it's an image. It's a normal image. Nothing really there. But what I can see is we have a bunch of characters. Again, I am going to use that tool just because I can do everything in one tool and I don't have to. Okay, I want to convert from ASCII to text. Let's see, I am distracted a bit, but yeah, I'm back. So yeah, I want to convert from ASCII to text. Is there an option for there here? Let's see, I have no idea. Just decode. Maybe decode text does that. I don't know. Then I'm gonna type 102.97. Is it working? Nope, clearly not working. It is UTF-8, right? I don't know how this works. Let's just go to some other website which can convert ASCII to text. Unit conversion, because why not? Does this work? No. Oh, we want to do exactly opposite of that. So yeah, we have 102.97. I can see the image. You all cannot, just take my word for it. 111, 110. I don't think we need to add spaces. Or do we need to add spaces? I am so confused right now. If anyone wants to help me, please go ahead. Okay, yeah, we did it. Falcon. So we have something known as Falcon, and it is doing console.log p, which will, anyone who knows JavaScript will say that it will print Falcon. So maybe that's the answer. Let's just try it out. Does it say that? Okay, but I'm not going to try out Falcon because it does not say that the flag is in a special format. So we know that the flag should be in the format MLH and curly braces. So I am assuming that this is not the answer, but something might be in there in this file. So for now, I'm just going to close this and I'm going to do normally what I usually do. So yeah, again, let's just do file, even if it's a PNG, if there is anything. No, there's nothing. Then let's do strings on the same thing and see if we can find anything notable. I don't see anything out of the ordinary here. Just random. Okay, it's a PNG, confirmed. Then usually when you have a file, any type of a file, no, Ankit, I won't remove the closing animation even if you give me $10. Are we talking in which currency are we talking? Are we talking in rupees, dollars, bitcoins? If you give me 10 bitcoins, I will sell you my entire PC if you give me 10 bitcoins. Yeah, so what I usually do then, if I cannot find anything from strings or files, is I do binwalk. Binwalk is super useful. So let's try binwalk. Binwalk usually finds anything what enclosed, embedded in a file. So yeah, but yeah, it did not find anything except for that PNG itself. So next up, in the life of PNGs or in the life of images, when you have images in a CTF or anywhere, you just think one thing, and that is steganography. If you had searched, if you are solving CTF for the first time, you can just do CTF images. That's it, and you will find here how to do it. Beginner CTF guide. Everyone will say that it is a steganography image. Again, let's not go to medium. I don't have Premium, medium. So yeah, but for it's under forensics, and it will say that it could either be something related to binary data or something related to magic bit. Magic bytes was already done in the warm-up CTF. So then comes file carving, that is we did using binwalk. We can do initial analysis again. I did that using strings. And then finally here it should be somewhere. Oh yeah, we can actually look at this. Let's look at this XF data. So you can use XF tool to look at anything XF data. Let's see if there's anything related to that. I'm just going to try and make this big. Okay, nothing here that could help us. What happened? Okay, then we don't have a PKF file. We don't have this. We don't have this. Okay, seriously, Stigo is not written on this website. Amazing. Wrong website. Wrong choice of website. Yeah, see, steganography. So we are just gonna solve it using steganography. When did I have a hacker terminal, Ankit? I am not sure what you are referring to. So we need to decode it. So of course, steganography decoders. We have a bunch of decoders here. We are gonna try all of them. So I can just upload a file apparently. Let's upload this. And it is asking for a password, and we have something known as Falcon, right? So let's type in Falcon and submit. Okay, it did not work. So clearly it is not done using this. Moving on to the next tool. This is asking for again an image. Let's give it an image. Where was that image? I'm so confused right now. Projects MLH to CDF challenges. No, solutions message.png. Okay, and I had to upload it in decode tab. I am amazing. Yes, can it decode it? Nope, nothing here. At least I hope. I'm just gonna do Control F and find MLH if possible. Okay, nothing here as well. Moving on to the next thing we have. I'm just gonna open a bunch of them. There's one here which does ask for a password, and then there is one here which asks for just the image. So I'm just gonna try this one first because I know this is the solution and I don't want to waste any more time. So yeah, we upload the file, we write the password here, Falcon, we do the most secure captcha in the world, second most secure captcha, and then try to decrypt it. And we have the solution here. It is MLH Winter Soldier. Has anyone here seen Falcon and Winter Soldier? It has already completed. If you are waiting for it to complete, you can see that now. And with that, we have the solution to pixels. I mean, Ankit, I have not solved Andreas till now. Oh, 1 to n was just the captcha that the website required. Because yeah, so that bots do not use this service. So 1 to n was just the captcha. It will probably change on every load. At least I hope it does. Yeah, it does. So you upload the file, you enter the password, Falcon, and you just type the captcha and decrypt, and you have the password here. At least you will. And you can use the same website to encrypt if you want to send some coded images to your friends. It totally works. And the best part is, even if you send it over WhatsApp, it won't remove this thing because it is embedded inside the image and it is not just textual thing. So yeah, that was the solution to first Pixels challenge. I think I already submitted it. Yeah. Moving on to Pixels 2 that most people have already solved. But again, we have image. Let's open that image. Okay, it's a meme. Yeah, it took me a lot of time to create this meme because I am not great at creating memes. So again, since this is an image, I'm just gonna follow the same procedure. I am just gonna do file. I hope the procedure is clear till now. It's a PNG image, nothing here. Let's do strings. And also let's grep MLH at the same time. Okay, nothing here. Then let's do XF. Do we have anything? Nope. Okay, so after trying that out, we have pin walk. Again, nothing, just the image. Yeah, so nothing there. Then let's try this decoder out. I should just move the file. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna move this file to this folder. Message to. Okay, till now, if there are any complaints of how I am solving challenges, or if you have any doubts, please put them in the chat, because I am doing this for the first time. Like, I'm doing a live stream by my own for the first time. Oh, okay, this worked. I had no idea this was going to work in first try. I swear I did not know which pixel challenge is using which steganography tool. But yeah, apparently this one is using this. And also you can also rule out this one because this clearly needs a password and we have not provided you with a password. So we can rule this out. This we could have tried, but whatever. I actually did not know that this tool is going to work. But yeah, I have all the tools open because I know every image uses some different tool. This was normal steganography. It just encodes every bit to have your information, and that is why we have all this blank things. You can learn about how this works on their GitHub, but yeah, I'm not going to explain that because I do not understand it properly. Moving on to Pixels 3. Again, we have an image. This time it is not named message, which is weird. I should have named it message, whatever. So yeah, we are just gonna do open again. We have the image. Sometimes what you can also do is you can open the image in something like, I don't know. Let's open it in this. And then you can adjust the color levels and try to find a few things. Okay, why am I not? Okay, no, clearly not this tool. Clearly some other tool, which allows you to adjust things in image. That is the best words I could come up with. Effects. Let's try this. Okay, I am not gonna waste time on this. I cannot close this. Okay. So we are just gonna follow the same thing that we did. I'm gonna copy this image from here to here. Open my terminal. We are gonna do file. I am not expecting anything to be there. Yeah. Again, XF tool. I don't think anything is here either, if I remember. Nothing here. Then we do strings. And let's just grab my image at the same time. Okay, nothing. Then let's do bin walk. Okay, nothing. Again, nothing. Okay, so the only option that remains is a steganography tool. Let's just use the same one to see if it works. I don't think I would have done that. Okay, it did not. We don't have anything sensible here. Again, let's go on to the next tool. This is gonna work, I know, because again I have made the challenges. Let me just find it. Where is it? Your skydiving, and yay, it worked. I mean, I cannot act. How do you know if there is a password or no password? In the first image, you could have seen that we had given something that looked like a password, that looked like ASCII encodings, and you could have decoded it. So that is something you could have noticed. But apart from that, you do not know that is there a password or not. But yeah, it's just you actually don't know. I don't know how to put that. Yeah, it's trial and error. Everything in CTF is mostly trial and error. Again, I don't specifically like this challenge because you have to manually write this. I'm just gonna write it here and then copy paste mlh solving. You know what, I'm not even gonna write this. I'm just gonna copy it from here. I don't care if you all see the files that you are not supposed to see. CTF3, yeah, flag. So anywhere we messed up, we messed this flag, and that is the reason in some challenges I had to update the flag later on. Because yeah, I messed things up. And done. Pixels 3 is also done. Moving on to the next challenge, Pixels 4. Space.jpg. Oh, we only have 6 solves. Should I do this now? Yeah, okay, let's just complete the Pixel series and then follow that. Let's open this. Whoa, International Space Station. Okay. I don't remember if this was supposed to be a clue. I was thinking of a challenge and having International Space Station as a clue, but I don't remember if this was the one. I have no idea. But yeah, we are gonna do the same things. And if you are also getting irritated by all the animations that I have, I cannot do anything about that. I know Ankit is very much irritated by closing animations and this wiggly thing that I have. But yeah, I just love it. Why not? Do it if you can. Okay, it's a JPG image. All the other images were PNG images. This is the JPG image. That's something to keep in mind. Most of the things that I'm saying is something that you should just keep in mind while solving challenges. But sometimes it is useful, sometimes it is not. So yeah. Okay, we have a copyright string. Weird. I should have deleted the XF data. I don't know why I did not. Let's see if we have anything in XF data then. We have the megapixels, the image size. It's a big image, not gonna lie. There's a lot of things. Oh, okay, perfect. Here it is. We have a digest string and we have documents notes, which is a link of Pastebin. So I'm just gonna open it. And Pastebin is not working. Seriously? See? Okay, is Pastebin working for anyone? If I know the answer is on Pastebin. So if Pastebin is working for anyone, you can just go on Pastebin, and Pastebin had to pick such amazing timing to go down, right? Whatever, if you open Pastebin, you will find the answer right there. No, I am going to find a solution to this. I am going to go to archive.org. No, sorry, Internet Archive. What's it called? Internet Archive. And see if it, okay, or Google might have it. Has Google done this? It has not. Wayback Machine, right? Thank you. Let's see if Wayback Machine has this specific Pastebin. I don't think Wayback Machine would be doing this, but if it has, then it's good. Okay, it does not have. Ah, that's bad. No URL for this domain. No, I know that Pastebin was working at that point in time, that day, but I have no idea why Pastebin would be down today. Is the link not, is Pastebin not working for anyone, or is it just me? If someone can just try and open the link, that would be great. It should work. It does not. Okay, if it is okay, whatever. Okay, Pastebin, not a good service to host stuff. I am just going to host everything personally, like privately from next time. But whatever, this was supposed to be the flag. MLH metadata can hide sensitive info, and this I have not written the solution. Amazing, whatever. So yeah, you just had to open Pastebin. You just had to use XF tool to find that link. Amazing fail, amazing live fail. Something was supposed to fail today. This did. Hopefully nothing else does. But yeah, so there we have it. Now let's just take a minute break while I drink some water. What was on Pastebin exactly? The flag. The flag was directly pasted on Pastebin. Nothing different there. It was just there. Just one line, nothing except for the flag. This was supposed to work. Okay. Yeah. Any questions so far about anything about any of the CTF challenges that we have already solved, or in general about CTFs, or anything that you want to ask me? you can write that in the chat. I am only monitoring the Twitch chat and not YouTube and Facebook. So if you are one of the people who are seeing this on YouTube and Facebook, you should either write to me on Discord or on Twitch. Twitch is the preferred way because my mouse scroll has stopped working today morning and I'm not able to go between channels for some reason. So yeah, just write it on Twitch. So yeah, moving on, we have 59. Okay, this seems like something after 58. 58, if I remember, was base 58. So I'm hoping 59 is base 59, which is weird. Trust me when I say this, it is just a base 58 string, but why? Okay, it is a base 58 string, but why do we need base 58 to begin with? Okay, we have a hint, but I'm not gonna take a hint. I'm just gonna paste base 58 here and delete this. Do base from base 58. Oh, it just worked. Okay. The reason it worked was this, because I know. Okay. And I also got some feedback about this challenge from my friend that it just works with base 58. The motor behind this challenge actually was, I can actually show you what Gabriel had written. Where do we have crypto? Yeah, base 59. The solution was supposed to be this. I am not sure if you can read this, but yeah. Okay, how do we zoom this? Okay. Solution was supposed to be this. You had to remove all the illegal characters, zeros, i's, 0 and I, small and capital both, and also O. Yeah, it is O, capital O's, and then decode the 58 string. But apparently, the online tools are so smart that they don't consider the uh not base 58 characters, and it just works. But if you remove this, it will say that we have 0. So we would usually be removing this 0, and then apparently we also have I, and then again we have 0. Okay, this is, which one is this? Okay, this 0 0 o 0 o, whatever, and then it would have worked. So the solution was supposed to be this, but yeah, then it was, online tools just work. Not exactly a perfect challenge, but an easy one, so it's fine. We have 15 solves on that. Anyone who solved 58 should have been able to solve 59. I don't know why there are 17 solves on this and 15 solves on this, but well, it is what it is. It is. Okay, moving on. We have aliens. Okay, I was hoping we don't have to solve aliens today because I don't want to be blamed for people having ear issues. I wish I could solve CDF. Okay, yeah, aliens. I am sorry if the sound that you are going to be hearing today in this challenges in the alien series is too loud, because I don't know how much sound is you are going to be hearing. Let's try it out. Can you hear this? Because I cannot, so you should be able to. Can you hear this audio which is already playing on my screen? Nope. Okay, you cannot. Let me open the controller and see what's the issue. So output, playback. Okay. Okay. I got what's the reason. I'm just gonna switch my audio to. It won't let me allow to select that microphone. Is this not gonna work? Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. I'm not able to like route my audio to the stream for some reason. Okay. Okay. I think I figured it out. I just have to switch from this to this. Can you Can you hear me? I don't even know if you can hear me now. Can you hear me by any chance? Okay, okay, perfect. And can you hear this video now? Okay, perfect. So I cannot hear the video, but you can. That works for me because I already know what it is. So yeah, for anyone who has not heard the video, I think you should do it right now. We can, unfortunately. I am sorry for that. I will try to keep the audio as low as possible. But somewhere in this audio, you hear something different than rest of the video. So we are assuming that something is wrong with the audio itself. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to extract the audio from the video. So we just have the audio and we can open it in Audacity. I'm not sure if I can open the video file directly in Audacity. Let's just actually try that out. Can I open it in Audacity? I've never tried this out before. But if we can we can. That is amazing. I don't have to learn how to extract audios. At least not for this challenge. So yeah, we can see here. Let's just move to spectrogram. Okay, there's nothing in spectrogram. I had shown in the first stream there was something different in the spectrogram. But yeah, here we have it in normal audio format. I'm just gonna try and zoom here. Okay, not too much. Too much zoom. Okay, we have something. And if we can hear this, okay, now I can hear this, and it's annoying. It's annoying. I agree with you. So it seems me that it's some kind of beats. I already know the solution, and most of you all most of you all also do know it, so I'm not going to waste time on this challenge. So it was Morse code, but with something different, right? So what you can you have two options. You either extract the audio and you upload to some kind of online decoder, or you do it manually. I am a person who does such kind of challenges manually. So yeah, I'm just going to drag this, delete this. From Morse code, delimiter is a space and word delimiter is a line feed. I don't even understand what that is, but let's just have this here on top always, and then go through this. So I can see there are some thin lines and there are some big lines. So I'm just going to assume that there are dots and dash. I assume dot dot dot. Okay, and dash is a minus. Okay, perfect. Okay, so dash dash is m, dash 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 dash, dot dash dot, dot 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 dot, dot 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 dash dash dot dash. Anyone here seeing this stream without context would be okay. Where was I? I should not speak while trying to decode this. Dash dot dash dot, dash 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 dash, dash dot dot, dot 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 dash dash. Okay, I messed up somewhere in between, clearly. Where did I mess up? Oh, there are 5 dashes here. Okay. Then there is dot dash dot and is it like this? Yeah. No. Okay, 5 dots and then a dot. Okay. Yeah. So this is the solution. So the reason most of the online decoders were not working were they were not able to actually decode the underscore, which I assume is this part. Dot dot dash dash dot dash. And the reason it was not working is if you Google Morse code and if you go to Wikipedia, you won't find that here. Underscore is not part of the international Morse code. The original international Morse code, underscore is not part of that because during the war they did not need underscore. But then in the extended version of the Morse code, they added underscore and all the weird letters as well. So yeah, that is something that you had to take care of, and that is the reason I received so many weird submissions, and I would like to show you that. The challenge name is what? Aliens. Let's see. Morse code. Someone actually went ahead and wrote Morse code like this. So yeah, we had many different tries. I don't know what this is. It is something. But yeah, we had many solutions to this one. I actually want to know where this came from, because I have no idea where 4.470.0 came from. That was one of the most different submission for Morse code. So yeah, the solution was Morse code, and we have it. Oh, not this, this. And paste. And boom, it works. Moving on to the next challenge. Let's not get carried away and do Morse code anymore. Or sorry, aliens anymore. Let's just go with the most solved challenges. What is next? Oh, aliens 2 is next. Amazing. We are doing that. Oh, we get Morse code directly on Audacity. You can actually go to spectrogram string and change algorithm to pitch. I had no idea. Let's try that out. You can go to what? Spectrogram and what? Oh, okay, you mean like dash dash dot dash. Okay. Not like in textual format, I assume. But if it is in textual format, then please let me know. I want to try that out. Is it in textual format? It is paused, right? It's not playing. Nothing is playing. Is there anything playing? No, nothing is playing. Yeah. Go to spectrogram settings. Spectrogram settings. Algorithm pitch. Okay. Oh, nice. I had no idea this existed. Thank you, Abir. This looks amazing. I mean, you directly get to see the dash and dots. That is amazing. And I assume this is not playing. If this is playing, really sorry for that, because I cannot hear it. Okay, moving on. Aliens 2. Yes, yeah, okay, I may have been wrong first times. Okay, tell me this. Who believes in aliens? Because I do. I really believe aliens are out there, and that is the reason I made this series. But yeah, who here believes in aliens? Let's paste this here and see what do we have here. Yay! Deepak does believe in aliens. That's nice. Nice to have supporters. And who here believes in flat earth? I don't believe in flat earth, just saying. I'm just asking to know who here believes in flat earth. We can have a really amazing discussion on that. Not that I want to, but we can. No, I am not one of them. I am definitely not one of them. Okay, we have a .wav file. Let's just confirm that it is an audio file. Okay, yeah, it is a WAV file. Let's do strings of it. I usually don't play things right away. Oh, okay. We can actually see something which is. I had not done strings on this challenge before actually going live with this challenge, but this is amazing. You can see some weird stuff here. Okay, moving on. It says that it is an ASMR file. I'm just gonna play it. Let's play ASMR.wav. Only you all can hear it, I think. Again, I cannot. I need to hear this. Because I don't remember what's the solution to this. So I'm just gonna hear it once. You are a flat earther ever since Andreas came to your life. Amazing. Let me just hear this audio once. I don't know how to switch it so that I can hear it. Okay, I can hear it now. It is a really weird audio. I have no idea. I'm just gonna open this in Audacity and see if it works. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So let's switch to spectrogram. Okay, it was this. I had no idea. Okay, cool. Then this was an easy solve because we had already shown this solution on the first live stream. So again, Audacity to the save MLH is this ASMR. The ASMR challenge from batch 1 was really amazing. I actually got Will to record an audio for me, and then in that audio I had put put some audio, like such spectrogram there. How to make this challenge? That is an amazing question, because I had forgotten how to make this challenge, or I had never made such kind of challenge before. My friends always did make this challenge for me, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna take their names right now. So Hetal, who you can see in the chat as Hates, has made some challenges like this. Then Rushang is there. I mean, yeah, you all don't know these names, but you can find them on our GitHub team. Probably you can find more challenges there if you want to solve. Again, coming back to the question how to make this, there are some online tools where you can make this. There are some Windows tool you can make this. I'm not sure if there is any tool in Linux. There has to be, but I am not sure is what I am saying. Again, I don't remember the tool's name. Let's actually find what the name of the tool is. I need to answer this. Users desktop. Where's desktop? Yeah. CDF. There should be a tool here. Nope, not FFmpeg. I use some tool. I will tell you the answer to that question once I find out. You can just search online how to hide text in yeah, and you will find that. So yeah, Windows does work here. I had to switch to Windows to make this challenge. I won't say sadly, but it was sad because yeah, I used for the whole Aliens and Pixel series. No, only the Alien series I had to use Windows because there was lot of editing work. Especially in Aliens 3 and Aliens 4, but we are not solving Aliens 3, we are solving something else. What are we solving? Oh, we are solving Crack Me. Crack Me series is the second favorite series mine, the one that I made. My favorite challenge was CTF block 3. It is just amazing. Just wait till we reach till that challenge. Oh yeah, Heather is totally right. You can encode an image in an audio and that will make this challenge. It is not putting text in the image. It is actually putting a whole image in there. I can actually show you a challenge from another CTF. Yeah, I will show you because they had done some amazing work. Let's open that. Projects, CDF, Brixel CDF. If anyone remembers Brixel CTF, we had this. Open with Audacity. And yeah, so here they had embedded the picture of kitty cat, I think, somewhere. Oh, okay, not this. This is the Morse code one. Almost every beginner CTF will have a Morse code challenge and a spectrogram challenge for sure. It's like they have to do it. And so did we had to do it. Maybe this, I don't know. Let's open this. It does not look like this one because this has some. Okay, it is this one. So yeah, they had embedded this. If I can zoom. Too much zoom. The picture of kitty, some kind of kitty cat. I don't remember. It's some kind of a logo, and this was the answer to that challenge in that CTF. The name of the CTF was Brixel CTF. Amazing CTF. It was managed by just one person. It was amazing. So yeah, moving on to the Hello Kitty. Right, it was Hello Kitty. Thank you, Hetal. Crack Me. It is a cipher, and again, this challenge is not in the usual format. I am not liking this. Some ciphers are okay. And it is actually a cipher. At least that's what the challenge says. It is not just an encoding. There is a difference between encoding and cipher, although both of them usually belong to the same category. That is crypto in CTFs, but yeah, they are really different. What did I do? Solutions. Where is solutions? Yeah. Let's open the terminal. Zoom it. And let's look at the file. What do we have here? With no line terminators, then we can just cat it maybe. Okay, okay. I know what this is. I think I know what this is. It is some kind of... This length is really unique. I'm just going to find the length of this because I think the length of this is quite unique. I have seen ciphers with this length. So I'm just going to find the length of this. I know you all have better ways to find length of strings, but I just use this 32. Okay. This is really unique. I know this. Okay. What's the length of MD5? Length of MD5 hash. Yeah, see, MD5 is 32 hex. So then we need to decode MD5. So you can, again, it is an actual cipher. You cannot decrypt it. So you need to have a database of MD5. So you need to use online. Oh, okay. Yay. Thank you, Avi. Thank you. Pastebin is working. So I can actually show you Pastebin. Perfect. Pastebin. Yay, it's working. And this here was the answer to the solution. Perfect. Pastebin is online. It was... did... how? I mean, how did it go offline at the exact time, right? It's just strong. Yeah. We were doing MD5 decryption, not Pastebin. Where was the MD5? So we put MD5 here and hope that it works. Bad format. Okay, okay. It did not work. I was really hoping it would work. Let's see. I actually don't know. I don't remember the solution to this. Is this working? Okay. But then the thing that it won't decode it, of course, because this tool cannot be... oh, okay, we had that ending character. I had copied the ending character. That was the issue, I think. Yeah, that was the issue. Yeah, see, it works. Ronald Rivest is the creator of MD5 encryption algorithm, I think, or he was the one who suggested that you can encrypt using such kind of an algo. But yeah, that is the answer. I think I went a bit fast on this challenge, so if anyone has any doubts, please put it in the chat and I will answer that. So yeah, it was a normal MD5 encryption. Again, you cannot do this offline. You need to have huge database of all MD5 encryption, or you need to brute force this. And again, this answer was so long. So brute forcing this would take a very, very long time on CPUs. On GPUs, it will be faster because almost all encryption algorithm works faster on GPU. I am not sure about MD5. MD5 is nothing special, but yeah. So when I say you need to brute force this, I mean that these algos are one-sided. You cannot decrypt them. You can only encrypt them. So any website that uses MD5 encryption or SHA or any such kind of algo for password protection, what they do is on the first try, they add the salt and they encrypt it and keep it in storage. Then every time you try to log in, they encrypt your password and check the encrypted hashes. They don't try to decrypt it. So there might be a collision, but that does not matter because the probability of collision is very, very less. So it is possible that some other word will have the same hashed value as Ronald Rivest, because in MD5 the length is always 32. So you can imagine that we are going from infinite input to a finite input. So there will always be collision. And you must have learned this in your crypto classes if you had paid attention. If you have not taken a crypto class, please do. It is fun. It is really, really fun if you learn it properly. Now moving on to CTF blog 1. Woohoo! I am not seeing any comments. Either my Twitch is not working or you all are really bored at this point. I am not sure. So yeah, moving on to CTF blog 1. Let's see. Yeah, this took me a long time to make. So yeah, CTF blog 1. We have this website. Let's just explore this website first of all. What do we have here? We have profile. Oh, I am already logged in. Just ignore that. We have an about page where nothing is written. Then we have few blogs. Okay, and these are real blogs. This is not lorem ipsum. If you had read this, you would have gotten some clues. But yeah, this channel is amazing. Some of the challenges were taken from directly from this channel. We have blogs. Anyone who had tried solving ELF could have just used this tricks from here. I know I think solved a lot of ELF challenges. You could have just used this blog as a guide because we have written here, and this blogs are not written by me. They are written by Hetal and Aditya. Again, they are from my team. We went for CTF in CTF, the CTF that we have described here. And again, how to solve forensic challenges is also written here. If you had written this blog, you would have known. Moving on to third blog. Okay. And then the fourth blog. Oh, okay. We cannot actually access the fourth blog without logging in. That is something. So I'm just going to sign up using my email ID. And some password. Let's just use this password. And then try to log in. Okay, it says welcome Karan. I assume that's a profile page and the about page, but we were trying to access the fourth blog, which also says premium, and that is the reason I think it told us to log in. It seems like some kind of medium style thing. Okay, we need to upgrade to read this blog. Okay, can we do this? Okay, we have an email ID. We can, okay, definitely not email them. That would take time, and we don't see any paywall like as in Medium, so we cannot pay and see this page. So the next thing that you would try in any of web challenges is just go on the source code of the page and try to inspect it. So I'm just gonna see what's the code for this part. Okay, so it is an overlay and a hide, so we cannot see this hide. So I'm just gonna maybe remove that class. Okay, yeah, so that opens up the whole block for us. That is good. Oh, and here we have the flag. Perfect. So yeah, you could have just done like Control F and searched for MLH here, but I usually try to edit everything so that we can see here. Oh, you have sent emails to admin@ctfblog.tech. Let's check if I have received your emails. I'm just gonna. We will check it at the end of the stream because checking the email is a bit complicated thing because I did not get free email, so I had to set up few services to route the emails. But we will log in and see. I have not checked that. I should have checked that. Okay, whatever. The solution was simple. You just had to see the source code of the page, and there was a similar challenge in the warm-up CTF wherein you had to see the source code. So yeah, we had just taken it from there, and boom, done. Wow, doing a 2-hour long live stream was not really a good idea. Speaking for 2 hours straight is hard, not gonna lie. Let's see, what do we have next? Oh wow, Aliens 3. How did you solve Aliens 3 and not Pixels 1? So we have, no, okay, no, I skipped. We have this, a strange phenomenon. Woo! This one is a good one because I was not actually even planning to make this one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. I did not actually plan to make this one, but then I was doing something and then I came across this cipher or encoding technique and I just made it. So yeah, it says that we have to download the image. So let's just go ahead and download the image and open it up. Okay, it's looks like some kind of Greek alphabet. I don't know Greek, of course, but some kind of some things that you would find inside a cave or some archaeological site. At least that is my initial analysis. Let's put that aside and read the other things. Okay, it's not in the usual format. And we have a link. Let's open up this link. Oh, Gravity Falls. Who here has actually watched Gravity Falls before? Anyone? Why won't this play? Yeah, okay. So it is Gravity Falls, the whole trailer, I assume. Let's just see if this video is not uploaded by me. It's not. Okay, it's just Gravity Falls. Oh, you have watched few episodes. I have not watched anything apart from one episode, and I have watched it for the research for this challenge. So yeah, Gravity Falls is there. Let's just see if we have anything like a. So I see there's a triangle here. We can see. Okay, it gives characters. Oh, of course, there's characters and not this characters. Never mind. Cipher maybe. Okay. Gravity Falls Cipher list of cryptograms. It's on their fandom, so maybe they use it. Where is it? List of cryptograms. Oh, it's different in the mystery of create and decipher automatically. Okay. I don't know what this is going to do. Hide your message. Oh, this is the okay, this is Caesar cipher. Strange symbols. Yeah, we have strange symbols. We have some strange symbols. Where is it? I should close this all. Just a second. I had no idea. I can see the logo of the image in my toolbar. I had no idea that is how it worked. Okay, we have this. Does any of the symbol match? Oh, I found this one as L. Okay, all of the symbols are from this then. Let's see. I'm just going to write it here. No, let's open up a terminal and try and decode it. So this one I can see it is here D. Then okay, this is going to take some while. M. DM does not make sense. It really does not. I am not able to find this one. Is it here by any chance? Okay, it's here. It's here. It's here. Okay, then we have to see the both the things. A. Then something like this, which is wow. This is hard. This is like okay. V. DMAV. It is not making sense. It is really not making sense. Oh, I have to use only one of them, not both. Okay, then I think this was, we don't have to use the left one, I assume. Okay, then I'm going to start from the beginning. I have no idea. I used some online tool to generate this and then I forgot it. Oh, okay, we have that symbol here too. Okay, this is making sense. G, gravity, G is making sense. GR, A, V. Okay, it is Gravity Falls, isn't it? I think it is. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume it is Gravity Falls. I want to assume it is Gravity Falls. T, yeah. I am so bad at this. FALLS. Yeah, okay, it is Gravity Falls. Okay, perfect. Cool. I had no idea. I'm done. So yeah, it was just about searching for a cipher that is similar to Gravity Falls, and then you could have come to this website, or actually, which the website that I used for discovering this was actually decode.fr. It has everything. So I just went here and searched Gravity Falls. I think that is, yeah, Gravity Falls. And then the cipher, Bill cipher or the author cipher, one of them. Yeah, so you could have used this to Gravity Falls. Oh, this was for encoding, I think. Yeah. Oh, you can just type it like this and then decrypt it. Whatever works for you, I think. I was not planning on using this website that we found, but we did. Whatever. Moving on to the next challenge. Which challenge do we have next? Tomorrow, I'm just gonna bring someone with me on the live stream because it is so boring to just talk to the camera for the full time. So if anyone wants to join me in the live stream and just chat, just drop me a message, because yeah, even now if you drop me a message, I would be happy to just bring you on the live stream right now. Drop me a message on Discord, because it's really boring just to talk to the camera and not having any audio output at all. Yeah, which challenge did we just solve? A strange phenomenon. Then it is, which is this one? Get that for me, please. Okay, I have not made this challenge, so I have no idea what this is. Get that for me was made by Gabriel, if I remember correctly. It is a misc challenge, which is really intriguing. Yeah, I'm ready for that ice cream. Oh damn, I forgot my flag inside the Git repo. Okay, it is a Git repo. That is good. Okay, that was also written in the title. I should have seen that coming. Let's open that up. Copy it from here, paste it in the solutions. I'm just gonna. Should I extract it? What if it is a zip bomb? I don't want to extract it. Yeah, I don't want to extract it. But I do want to extract it. Let's just first see if it is a normal zip. Okay. If it is a zip bomb and the live stream goes down, I will be back in 5 minutes. But I'm going to try and extract this. So yeah, I'm gonna use star. I am not sure if, because I have not solved this challenge. I have not made this. Okay, it was not a zip bomb. That is good. But the bad thing is it just, okay, it did not. Yeah, okay. We have a folder. I mean, zip bombs are scary. Oh, we just have a readme. Okay, let's cat the readme. You will find the flag when you find the flag. Of course, that is so obvious. I'm just gonna do git log because it's a git challenge. Initial commit. Okay, we have the, okay, that doesn't seems easy. I just have to go to that. I think I just have to go there. And then do ls again. Oh yeah, we have the flag, I assume. Okay, no. Too late. Which means we have to go back. But this wasn't this the original commit? Right? Okay, how do we solve this then? I'm just gonna git checkout head again. And then do git log again. Oh, I did git checkout head, amazing. I wanted to do git checkout main or master. Yeah, okay. And then git log. So I did git checkout here and it was not there. Let's just check this one. And see if it works. I am not sure. ls. I should have done la everywhere and not ls. Yeah, right. See, there's a .flag file. Oh, yeah. I swear I did not switch to LA because I knew it was on this commit. It was pure luck. But yeah, you should always do LA. I even have hidden files on in my file explorer. But yeah, it was, I think it was just that it is in .flag and not It's a hidden file basically. So I'm just gonna copy it from here, set clip, and then paste it here and done. Boom. I can solve other challenges too that are not made by me. That's good. Ouch, not Rusty. I have again not solved the not Rusty one. I have solved Rusty because uh, Ankit had sent me Rusty one to check, but not Rusty I have not solved any time before. So yeah, let's solve not Rusty. This seems like something that should not happen. Maybe I can figure out the flag and finally quit. Why do you want to quit, Ankit? And what do you want to quit? This challenge was made by Ankit. If you have not already figured that out, I am not gonna open this here. I'm gonna copy this from here, paste it here. And since I know this is a reversing challenge, I don't have to worry about it being a zip bomb for once in my life. And I can just go to this folder and it is a zip. Oh, is this the challenge where everyone had issue with unzipping it? I don't know, but I am having that issue as well. Can someone guide me how to unzip this? It needs this. I'm gonna debug this live. Yeah, right. Y'all brute force the not Rusty challenge and everyone. Okay, use p4zip. Let's use p4zip. Do I have p4zip installed? P4zip. No, I don't have p4zip installed. Is it just doing sudo apt-get install p4zip? I assume it is. I'm just gonna assume it is that. The best part about Linux, you don't. Okay, it's not just that. Then what is p4zip? But yeah, why did you all brute force this challenge? Like, why? You should not brute force. What? It's a Python file? I am not understanding this. I'm just gonna Google this. Maybe there's some package. I don't want to use a Python script. XDG, open the zip. Yeah, that will just open my normal unzipper, right? And that is what is not working, I am assuming. Let's actually try that out because I have not tried the one that this one. Can it extract that for me? Yeah. Nope, it's not supported. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why Ankit did this. He used Windows, I think maybe because of that. But it is a commercial thingy. You might have to buy PKware commercial version for Linux to uncompress this, which I am not gonna do. pkzip solution. Here is the solution. p7zip. Okay, 7zip works. Perfect. Do I have 7zip installed? I have 7zip installed. That's good. That's good. And which was the file? Not Rusty. Let's. Did it extract? Or do I have to pass any flags? I did not extract it, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, it did extract. I can see not Rusty. Okay. Is it safe? Can someone just tell me if it is safe to execute this file? Because I am not sure if it is safe to execute this file. I'm not going to execute it. I'm not going to even take the risk of executing it. I'm just going to do cd into that. And then, okay, it did not extract. What? How do you use p7zip? We don't trust Ankit. We don't trust Ankit. No one should trust Ankit. No one should ever trust Ankit. Unzip. What's the command? I don't know what's the command. $7Z? No. Okay, I am Faye. If anyone knows the command, then please help me out. It's just a X. It seems like it's just a X. Don't trust when you are in a CTF. Yeah, exactly. Don't trust when you are in a CTF. Don't trust anyone. Decompress. Okay, we just have to pass -d. And switch this in. Okay, everything is okay. Extracting archive. Where did it extract it? See, now you know I have no idea about this challenge because I am not even able to extract it. This should have worked, right? Can anyone help me out how to extract this? Execute the command on a tar.7z file. I'm just going to copy this because why not? Ankit is not here right now. He must have gotten bored and left long back. What is this? Would you like to replace the existing file? There is no existing file, right? Okay. Did it? Oh, it worked this time. Okay, now we have it. Perfect. File. It's an ELF file with nothing taken from outside. It is dynamically linked. So sorry, everything taken from outside. So it is not statically linked. Statically linked files are bigger, and it will have some fishy code inside, maybe like for modifying print or something. But it is dynamically linked. Nothing to worry about. Also, we have a SHA-1, so we don't have to worry about it being modified later on, like after compiling it. You can use string file. Okay, let's do that then. I was anyways gonna do strings and grep mlh. Okay, we have many flags here. A good flag, a fake flag, a bad flag, a semi-good flag, an easy flag, a knowable flag. But yeah, we have many flags here. But I know as a fact that none of these are true. At least I think none of these are true. I'm not sure of it. And I'm going to show you how exactly would you solve this. But I've seen everyone submit all of this flag. But I don't think you were able to solve it even after submitting all of this flag. So yeah, I know why you brute forced it, but you are not supposed to. And from the next time, I'm going to keep minimum submissions, like 3 or 4 submissions. But was the answer any of this flag? Just tell me that. Is the answer here or not? I'm not sure. Oh, the answer is not here. Perfect then. Yeah, so let's actually open this up with some other tool, which I have in my downloads folder somewhere. What was the name of the tool? I don't even remember. It should be there in recents. Do I have that? I do not. So I downloaded it today. So it should be in one of the download folders. Downloads. Where is downloads? How do I open downloads? CD. Downloads. Yay. Sort by modified. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna search the name again. I should remember the name of things. G Hydra UI. Cutter. Yeah, I want cutter. Let's open cutter. Why cannot I find cutter? Find me cutter. It's not here. It might be somewhere in here then. Just hang on while I find a UI for a debugger for any compiled files. Oh, it should just be there in downloads, right? Yeah, it should be here in downloads. Can anyone see? Oh, cutter. Here it is. Thank you. That was easy. So cutter is basically an online tool to open. Oh no, you should not know my GitLab for solving. The solution to that is actually easy. So yeah, we will open the file. The file that we just downloaded, not Rusty, and we will tell it to analyze and also open it in write mode. If we want to actually change something in there, then we can. So let's open that up. And now, since this is this is the actually executable file. We can actually execute it. Even we can debug it. We can set breakpoints and everything. But instead, what I usually prefer is I prefer not to execute it and just read the. I don't prefer it because I hate reversing and pawnable challenges. But even when I have to do it, I just try to read this assembly code, right? I think it's called assembly code. So yeah, we will just be going over the assembly code today and not executing it or not setting any debug points at all. I know it is a Rust shell because it was written not Rusty. So I'm just gonna search Rust. We have some things. We have panic. We have sim. Yeah, we have the main function. So if anyone has written Rust, you know that this is the entry point of the program. So we will be just going over this more or less. I think it is this one. I am not really sure. It's a big one. Or was it main? Something related to main, everyone has this. Oh yeah, some tools do. Yeah, even this tool does that. So it will convert it into readable code. So you don't have to read that. But again, sometimes it messes it up. So yeah, the decompiler will show you this for the main function. The function that we are currently seeing. Oh, we have some flags here. Oh, these are the same flags, I think. Oh, where is it? Where did it go? It just disappeared. Let me find that again for you all. Okay, it just disappeared. I'm just going to click here again. Decompiler for main. I don't click on random things is something that I have to learn. Let's just do Control F. Control F. MLH. I cannot search here. Whatever. Apparently it is not letting me search here. I thought... Oh, I have to... Ooh, okay. Nope. That did not work. So you can clearly see that I have not solved this challenge before because I have no idea. I'm just trying to explore different things. We have some labels which I don't understand. I don't understand this code at all. It is too big on my screen to understand. Some panics, some failing statements. Nothing important here, I think. Going on to the other one. We have a decompiled file for that. This is the previous one. I don't even know. Just gonna. So that is why. Okay. So one is the graph, one is the disassembly, and one is the decompiler. Yeah, this is the decompiler. Where did the flag go? Oh, here it is. So I think this is the thing that we read, and it is a comment apparently. I don't think this means it is a comment, but whatever. It has many things. But I should have solved this challenge before doing it on live stream. Because at this point, I have no idea where to start. If anyone wants to, yeah, you can use G-Hydra as well. This is, I think this is made on G-Hydra or something. I don't remember again. It's totally up to you what you use. I try to switch things frequently. I try different things. And currently I'm trying this out. I downloaded it today morning, so I've never actually tried it out. Today morning or I don't know when, but yeah. Oh, we have some main function here. Execute the file. No, I am not going to execute the file. I don't trust Ankit. And pass these flags. It is. But I have to execute the file. Okay, everyone is saying that. I'm taking a risk here because I do not trust Ankit or anyone who has made this file. But let's see. Text file busy. What? It just says text file busy. Oh, since I have opened it. Since I have opened it in G-Hydra, right? Yeah. I am not gonna. No, I don't want to execute it. I really don't want to execute it. I will do this like this. You know what? I will do this like this. Let's jump to this. So we have this. Then it goes to either it. Yeah. So if you don't pass anything, I think this is what's happening or something. I don't know. Then it XORs between, if it says if both of the thing is same, it goes here. It goes down somewhere. There is one thing going way down. I don't know where, but somewhere. And something with UTF-8, it is converting something from UTF-8 maybe. I have no idea what I am doing. It's there's a push of plus. I could really use some help here. For solving this challenge faster, I could use some help, or you all can see me suffer on a live stream. Why did I decide to do it on live stream? Okay, the graph is insanely big. Insanely big. I'm gonna. Okay, let's execute it. Where does this execute? I don't know. Let's close cutter because I don't know if it's working. Oh, it is working. Wait. We can see the stack here. Okay. But I have never used this, so let's not execute it. Let's discard this. And now let's directly execute it here. It does not print anything. Oh, okay. So it will print anything we give it inside that. So I can either write a brute force to it to try all these things, but of course that is not gonna be my solution. Is it a buffer overflow? But what flag? Oh, like any of this flag? Oh, okay. The output changes. That's nice. Anyone? Oh, was that the answer? Or is it just so after some tries? Okay, really, was that the answer? Oh, but why? Why? No, I need to see this. Like, okay, I don't understand this. Where did my cutter go? Yeah. I wanna I wanna see it in this. I'm gonna try it for like, I don't know, a minute or two. And then maybe switch to another challenge. But yeah, I wanna actually see the whole thing. The main function goes down. We have a few things. There's a character G here. I don't know why. Okay, we had something that we can work on. Also, wrong answer. I'm just gonna search this somewhere. Strings, maybe? Yeah. Okay, it's just here. Seriously? The whole thing is in strings? Nowhere else? Oh, it's a Xor Cipher. I had no idea he used an Xor Cipher because I used an Xor Cipher in one of the challenges. Ah, nothing. Did no one solve it like using this, like actually debugging it? And Ankit has not even uploaded like the source code of this, so I cannot even refer that. If Ankit is there on the stream, please send me the source code. I want to show everyone the source code, and I also want to see the source code myself. Okay, if you say that it is I saw a ladder kind of a structure here, which all looks same to me. Is it? Is this the answer? Like the push ones? Let's see. Let's see. It starts from this or this. And we have this here and does some slicing kind of a thing. What is 0x10? Let's Google it. Let's Google what is 0x10. 0x10. What is 0x10? Not a Stack Overflow answer. And I don't think I want to convert it into decimal either. I think I want to convert from hex to ASCII. Yeah. We want to see the source code. Yes, I am gonna try and call Ankit. Let's call Ankit. I hope you cannot hear the Discord calling voice, but if you can, sorry. Ten is not even a valid SK character. Are you kidding me? Yeah, this is ASCII, right? What is 0x10? I am so okay, but nope. Take me back. Yeah. I am assuming it is that like 0x10, 0xf, and then you just have to take all of that and it should work. Okay, it is f and a f and then one character in between. Was that the answer? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, it is here. No. Oh yeah, E and E. E and E matches. That could be the answer. I don't know. There's a 3 here. 33 means 3. Why has it not automatically decoded everything else then? It should have done that. We have all of this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, everything is same after that. It calls some other functions. Then it calls a slice function here. And all slice does is it gives XOR result of the same thing. I don't know. It gives 2 arguments, moves it, tests something, adds something. I have no idea. Yeah, I am doing that, not gonna lie. I am doing that. I'm trying to match something. But seeing this ladder, okay? It is how long is the ladder? Let's actually try and match it. Oh, there are 2 possible answers here again. Oh, there are what? You know what? We will solve this challenge tomorrow. I'm going to take my time and solve this challenge. We only have 10 minutes, so I'm not gonna waste any more time on this challenge. So yeah. Let's move on for now because we need to solve more challenges. This was the answer, right? Yay. How many challenges did we solve today? Are we even close to 20? 1, 5, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17. Oh, we are really close to 20, but those were the easy ones. Never mind. I was hoping for 25. We can do one more challenge and then I will take questions. No, Andreas was not solved. We are actually going in order of number of solves from max to minimum. So yeah, next is bunch of steps. Yeah, let's just take a challenge. Like what challenge do you all want me to solve? Let's not take it from this now. Any challenge like maximum vote. just put it in the chat. I see Andreas, I see maybe Crypto. Let's not solve Andreas. It will definitely take more than 10 minutes. So not Andreas today. I will do Andreas tomorrow. It will take a lot of time and I need to finish this. I am done for today. Oh yeah, we should do Aliens 4 because we have already solved Aliens 1, 2, and 3, right? So we can actually get done with Aliens 4. Oh, we have not solved Aliens 3. What was Aliens 3? Oh yeah, Aliens 3 and Aliens 4 week. Oh, Pixel is already solved, Abhishek. You can we have solved the whole Pixel series. You can maybe see the recording later on. But yeah, let's solve Aliens 3 and 4. I think I can solve both of them in less than 9 minutes because I know the solution. So it should not take time. Yay. So yeah, again, or is it really a transmission from the past? Can you help me decode this one? So yeah, it says that it is either aliens or either something from the past. From our past or from aliens past, I don't know. From some past. So putting this here, opening it in terminal. We will do file on which one? Which did I download? Aliens. Yeah. Yeah, it is a wave audio with something different. I have not seen this. And it is also 8-bit, which is good. And it is at 8000 hertz. So I am going to Google what is RIFF. I am not sure what that is. RIFF is chord progression pattern of some kind. Resource interchange file format. Okay, nothing special. Something related to jazz, maybe. I don't know. Something related to music. So it is definitely a file that we can safely listen to. Hopefully, it does not kill us. But yeah, let's listen to the aliens file. So I think I can hear it and you all cannot. So I am just gonna change that. This one is the most safe aliens file of all, I think. So yeah, this is the audio. There are some beeps. And this beeps remind me of when I have to call a call center and we have to like press those numbers. This is the exact sound, I swear. And yeah, Nokia's days. Like, see, it's from the past. It's something from the past. I'm not gonna waste time here, and I'm just gonna tell you what this is. This is like we can actually Google it, phone keypad tones, and then here we can find out what this is called. So yeah, here you can see that it is known as DTMF tones. So let's, yeah, I can hear this again. You cannot hear this, but it sounds exactly like what we just heard. And it's called DTMF tones. I don't remember the full form. Yeah, dual tone multi-frequency. So let's Google for a DTMF decoder maybe. I have one offline, but let's just do it online because it just works. Detect diode, DTMF tones, and it's a WAV file. You don't have to extract video, so that's good. Huh. Bear with me while I locate the file. MLH to CTF solutions. I selected the wrong file. Aliens. Yeah, find. I don't have a toolkit in general, but oh, okay, we have the file, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my phone because if it is DTMF, I'm just gonna type on that on my phone. So it seems like there's 1 3, so that would mean a D, then a 8 would mean a T. So if for reference, what I am doing is just a second. Yeah. Okay. For reference, what I am doing is I am just seeing the keypad. Okay, I'm not even sure what part of the phone can you see. I should just open it on here. What am I even doing? Phone app UI. Will that bring me? Oh no, call phone caller app UI images. Yeah, okay. This will work. So yeah, this, oh, amazing. Uh, Open image in new tab. So yeah, this is not a clear image. Why cannot I find a clear image of a dialing pad? Yeah, this is clear enough. It should open too. Nope, of course not. It's Pinterest. Open image in new tab. Yeah, so what I am doing here is I am just referring that website and seeing ABCs and everything written down here. So anyone living in US, Canada, this challenge would have been very, very easy. But for anyone from most of the Asian countries would have been hard to identify this, because and the reason for this is I have noticed the numbers written there. They don't write the whole number sometimes. So I am not sure, but the if you want to dial the toll free number of Apple, it is 1860 Apple. Like, you have to actually type Apple and it will dial it. And I think, again, I am not sure, I'm totally guessing it. It is actually related something to this type of encoding wherein you convert that into numbers and that is the number you are actually dialing. I think it is that. Correct me if I'm wrong. I have no idea if I'm right or wrong. But yeah, we just what we do is we just go through this. I'm just gonna do that because I don't remember the answer. DT6 is M. Then we have 3 times 3, which means F, DEF. Then we have a hash. Hash is just hash on our keypads, as we know. Then we have a 8. 8 is again T. I think it is just DTMF tones. We have 3, or how many sixes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 is not possible. So I'm just going to assume it is ONN because I know the answer. And again, if you see the timings here, it is much obvious. 120, 90, 120, 120, 90. So yeah, I don't think that was a good explanation, but yeah. Then moving on to 3, it is E, and then 7 4 times is S. So yeah, that is the answer. DTMF hash tones. The issue people were having with this is people were writing space instead of hash, underscore, not writing hash, but you had to include the hash. That was something you were missing if you were missing that. And the last challenge for the day is Aliens 4. So while I explain Aliens 4 and we do Aliens 4, I would like if we have a Q&A session, and if you have any questions about any of the challenges we solved today or any challenges at all or in general about CTF, I will answer those questions. I have one question from Geeta about my toolkit. I will point you to a better toolkit. I don't have a toolkit because I just Google everything, but yeah, I can point you to a toolkit that has almost all the tools you might ever need. A big file, 22 MB, but it's smaller than the 500 MB raw file that I have. So that's good. So yes, we have this, and I am not gonna play this file for you all. Oh, anyone here has seen Doctor Who? If not, please see Doctor Who. It is an amazing TV series to see. Just amazing. So yeah, let's play this file just for me. Oh, I think it's playing for you all. Sorry. Yeah, sorry for that. I totally forgot I did not change the. Yeah, now it's playing for me and not for you. Sorry for that. But the rest of the video is good. Did you see the rest of the video? It is so good. It is okay. Go and see Doctor Who, whatever. So now there are some hints in the README itself, and I have heard this kind of audio before, and I think Geeta also said he had heard this audio, or someone I think said that. But yeah, it's your cancer. I agree with that. I will actually give more background for this challenge than necessary. Let me just grab that for a second. Yeah, I have it right here. So I'm just gonna say the solution and not how you would actually go about solving this challenge, because that would take a lot of time. So in the description you can read that they have received it from the sky. I received it from the sky, and it could be robots. I don't know. People call me crazy for having faith in that, but whatever. So I don't know if you have heard of something known as Rtl Sdr. it is basically a radio receiver kind of thing. So where is it? Yeah. So this is a Rtl Sdr. I don't know again if you can see this. Yeah, and it comes with this antenna. You can hear for almost any frequency, uh, any radio signals, or like, let's say you want to pick up police transmissions or weather transmissions or anything, right? And when I say weather transmissions, I mean radio weather transmissions as well as the weather transmissions from weather satellites. You can pick that up using this tool. You can find this on Amazon, on AliExpress, on any of the buying websites for like 500 Indian rupees or $10. $5 to $10 you can find this, and it's an amazing thing to experiment with if you want to. So yeah, Rtl Sdr, you can receive transmissions, and let's just assume I received this transmission from a satellite. But as you have already noticed, it was not a analog transmission. It was not a audio transmission. And you could maybe guess that it was a digital transmission. So now we have to convert this digital transmission into something that we can listen to or something that we can see. So having known that, what you can do is you can Google decoding satellite transmissions. Maybe this works, maybe this does not work, I don't know. So okay, we see that there is a Medium blog on NOAA satellite images. Apparently it is an image. So then I go and see what is NOAA. So it is something National Oceanic and okay, and satellite encoding format. Maybe we can look at that. But again leads to this. So let's just open that for a while. Okay, let's read this. It is an automatic picture transmission. It takes an image and transmits it to the Earth's surface. Let's open this in private so we can actually read it. The oldest trick in the book. If no one knows that, then you should, because you should read Medium blogs for free. Not should, you should pay for it. People write it, you should pay for it. Yeah, so we can have a SDR play or something to receive it. Then decoding it. Okay, we can read that file and decode it somehow. Okay, and the image should look like this, whatever. Okay, yeah, there we go. So there's a Python script for doing this, and we should find an image like this. It is, I think this is of some hurricane or something that is taken from a satellite. But there's a simple way of doing it, and it is known as SSTV. So SSTV is basically anything that is transmitted to our TVs. And I know it would be hard to go from satellites to SSTV, but if you search for a while, you will reach there. Believe me, if you go through each and every of the satellites and everything, the link, you will find something known as SSTV. And SSTV is the transmissions that are used for displaying images and sending images from satellites directly to our television sets, the thing that we have at home, that's satellites. And now, SSTV decoder. What can we use to decode SSTV? Yeah, even in Audacity, you can see multiple level of audio. Yes, you can. But we just don't want to see the audio. We want to create an image from audio. So I don't know if it works, but yeah, we have something here known as SSTV, and there is robot in the name. So it's an Android app. If you have Android, you can use that. But I'm going to just show you a different way of it. I have an application which you all can also download, of course, named QSSTV. So let me just open that, QSSTV. And we can select a file in this, or we can configure it in such a way that it can take audio directly from the file. And that is what I'm going to do. So for configuring this, you just go to File, Options, Configuration, Sound. All right. Oh yeah, I have to change this in. So yeah, on Windows you can download Voice Meter for like configuring which audio should go where. And on Linux, you can just create a fake audio sync, and you can have that. So that is what I am doing. This will play back to my ear, but I want it to capture audio from the null input. Yeah, I wanted to capture audio from the null input, right? But then I want to play that file. The file that I have is here. I want to play it. Yeah, it's currently playing in my ear, which is very annoying. But then I want to play this and directly send the audio from this to this application, from ear to ear. So we go and find video playback stream to my sync. And now I know as a fact that if I play it right now, you all will hear this. So I need to change that. I need to change this to me only. Yeah, so now you won't hear the audio. Now only this will hear the audio. And while the thing is playing, I will be muting myself because it will be hearing me, and I don't want that. Or I can just do this, right? Hello. Okay, you are currently hearing me and it is not perfect. So let's play this file. So yeah, now to summarize it, we had a file. It was actually a satellite transmission, and we used SSTV. SSTV is basically satellite TV transmission something. And it actually has an image, as you can see. And the format of the image here that we are using is robot 36. But SSTV is so good that it just works on auto mode. But if you change the mode, you will see different things forming. And since you can see a green line here, it is just that satellite transmissions are not good and the audio is not good. If you had heard the audio properly, you would have noticed that the weird audio is only coming from left side and not from right side, or opposite of that. I don't remember which channel was which. So you could actually remove one of the channel and then pass that. If you had done that, then the image would have been a lot clearer. I actually have the decoded image. My friend did this challenge for me. So if you had basically separated the audios, then you would have seen something like this. Something like this. You would have seen it very much better than, okay, it's actually same. It's not that good, but yeah, whatever. It would have worked better is all I'm saying. So yeah, this was the Aliens 4 that only 2 teams were able to solve. There you go. I should copy the answer. I should really copy the answer. Satellites are amazing. Okay. Don't judge me for not knowing satellites spelling. Please don't. Yay, done. Boof. Done. Okay, any questions? Except for what's the solution for secret entry S? Any questions at all? I am now going to switch to this view so I can see. Nope, no questions. Nothing except for that, because Geeta's team almost solved every challenge except for that, I think. Okay. Yeah, so thank you all for joining today. Tomorrow I am just going to get someone to be there with me on the live stream, because it is very weird to talk without having anything playing in your ear for so long. You should love satellites and just get this device and play with it for like a month. Just get a Rtl Sdr receiver and play with it. It would be amazing. I mean, you can pick up police transmission. You can pick up airline transmissions with this thing. It is so powerful. It is amazing. Just get one of those and play with it for like a month. Super important question. What software do you use for terminal animations? That is a good question. I use so the desktop environment that I use has this feature, KDE. I can actually show you. Yeah, you can just Google KDE Plasma, and you will find Plasma has all the animations inbuilt and many services that is not there in normal Ubuntu GNOME, and you can find there. So wow, you want MLH flags on certain frequencies. Just tell me where you live, I think, and I will have a radio transmitting random stuff and embedded MLH flags every day for you. Because why not? Yeah, short answer, get Linux. Linux is amazing. I have done a lot of things in Linux. Just get Linux. Just triple boot. Yeah, KDE Connect is awesome, right? It pauses videos or anything that I am seeing when I receive a call. It gives me all the messages here. I can see the whole content of my phone on my screen. I can geek over KDE Connect for like so long, but let's not do that because we are already over time, and I am very tired now. It's Apple ecosystem. Yes, it is exactly. So here you can see KDE Connect. Here I can pause the Twitch stream directly from my phone, and it's just so easy. It's just so easy to do everything from KDE, right? Yes, it's the best. So yeah, any other questions about anything? Any questions about my setup is also fine. Also, I hope no one saw anything that they were not supposed to see in today's stream. But if you did, please forget about it. Please delete it from your memory. Okay, I'm just gonna be here for a minute or two uh, to see if there are any questions. I think there was one question. Yeah, about the toolkit, right? I did not answer that. I am just gonna paste that CTF all-in-one master toolkit. I think that's what it is. Is it this one? It's some Chinese repository. No, it's not this one. Okay, just give me a moment while I search for it on my PC. Projects. Okay, you are not seeing my screen. That's fine then. CTF. So it's called CTF tools, and I have. Why did I download the zip and not the Git repository? Okay, it's known as CTF tools on GitHub. I just know the repository name, so I'm gonna. Oh, I found it. It's by Zardas CTF tools, and this is the link. CTF Zardas something. This is the link. Yeah, Cyber Chef is amazing, right? I was trying to find Cyber Chef from today morning the whole time, and I was not able to find it. But then during the live stream, I just found it by luck, by sheer luck, and it was good to finally find it again. And I am now going to like self-host it, because why not? You should always host everything yourself when you can. At least that is what I believe. Some people call me crazy for that, but that's fine. CyberChef is amazing. Does anyone here do self-hosting? Like, do you self-host stuff? Anything at all? If not, just go and look at Reddit, the subreddit self-hosted. It is mind-blowingly amazing. I love subreddit data hoarder and self-hosting. You can ask anyone from my previous pod. I have geeked over it like for so long. You have RAID 1 data server running on a Raspberry Pi. We need to get you to talk about that tomorrow. I'm just gonna call you on that. Don't you have to keep a machine alive for? Yes, or you can just host it on some cloud server. But yeah, you can just have a Raspberry Pi running for full time. It won't even take anything. So I just have a couple of Raspberry Pis running, not currently running. I'm still in the process of building it. So yeah, Will has many services running on his Raspberry Pi. I mean, for some point of time, he was having a whole NAS running on Raspberry Pi for all the data storage. But yeah, on that note, I am not seeing any questions, so let's just end it for now. And yeah, I will have the not rusty source code by tomorrow. I will take that from Ankit, and we will also go through the source code of that, and we will solve Be Careful without running it. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this, and see you all tomorrow at same time. See you all tomorrow at same time. No, see you tomorrow at same time. See you all at same time tomorrow. Something I'm not able to form sentence right now, but yeah, it was really nice doing this session. It was my first solo live stream. I think it went well. I am not sure. I think it did. But yeah, see you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. IST. Please convert that into your time zone. I am not good at conversion as much as well as. So yeah, bye everyone. Take care. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye. Now I have to figure out how to close the stream.